Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your November read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you in November. The Judgment card wanted to show through, but let's see what energies are flowing towards you, Leo, in November, and how you can use this reading to have a beautiful month ahead. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the month of November. And Leo, please remember, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. And a warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo. And secret message from the universe. Bottom of my deck, I have the Chariot for you, Leo. So you're going to be very goal-oriented, it seems, in November. You know your path and you're going to be charging towards that. Currently, I do feel that you're going through a little bit of turmoil, little conflict, maybe in your mind, maybe with others. In the past, you were a little undecided about something, trying to figure things out, and even now there could be some kind of a conflict going on. But in November, I do see you taking an offer or receiving an offer. So let's see what that's going to be all about. Leo, I'm going to start with a Ganesha Oracle card this time. I so look forward to my monthly readings because then I get to use my Ganesha deck, which is so beautiful. For Leo, Lord Ganesha, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo for November, please. This one, okay. Let's keep this here, and we'll also take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for November. Okay, got both of them. And the card I have here for you, Leo, is healing. I told you that, right? Whatever is going on here, it's going to be healed in November. Look at this offer of apology or a new offer or something very sweet that will make you very, very happy. And there's action going forward as well. So let's take a couple of lines from the book. Let's see what this healing is all about. Maybe there's a message in here for you, Leo. So what's the number? 36. Oops. Very clumsy today. 36 is 64. Okay, so here's your message, healing. The true essence of your soul is one of complete health. Ganesha is pictured sitting on a peacock. Peacock feathers have been used in curative remedies for thousands of years across countless traditional cultures. They're said to carry spiritual, medicinal energy that can assist people seeking balance and healing in their lives. So it doesn't just have to be healing, it's not just physical. It could be emotional, could be spiritual, it could be with people, healing a conflict. The challenges of daily life can throw you out of balance with the truth of your being. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and in general feeling of lack. Remember that you are created from the perfection of divine light and love. Your physical body is simply a shell that covers your soul. True healing is only possible when you take responsibility for your own well-being on earth and your self-empowerment. See yourself as complete, healthy and whole. Ganesha prompts you to believe that you are truly capable of handling any matters of health or relationships without blame, with integrity and grace. Yes, this is exactly the message I was getting from these three cards as well. When I said there is some turmoil, conflict, maybe feeling very imbalanced in the past, but look at this, coming up November. And the feeling of victory right after that. 6 of Wands was right under that as well. Let's see what my angels have for you. Heaven is watching over you. So don't worry about anything that you're going through right now. Give up feeling this conflict now. I mean, November hasn't even begun yet, right? Because it's all going to be fine. So Spirit Please tell me why the Five of Wands is here in Leo's current energy. This is now when I'm reading the cards. This is before November. Five of Wands. What's this conflict about? Feeling you may not get a second chance. You feel there's some petty behavior. You feel there's some gossip. Maybe you're feeling that feeling of lack. Yes, feeling you made some unwise decisions. You lost a chance at something. You are looking for that happiness. Heart of hearts, you're looking for that well-being. You're looking for that stability. But at the moment, you're kind of worried that it may not be possible. That chance has already gone. Right? So what happened in the recent past that Leo was in two minds? What's this Two of Pentacles? Something foolish was done here. Maybe somebody was inconsistent, or there was some drama maybe in the past. It may have pissed off somebody. Somebody could be angry because of that, and now that feeling, that dread is there, that oh my God, am I judged? Have I lost my chance? I really do want this. I want this. Will I be able to get it or not? But let's see what's happening. Going to happen in November then. Spirit, Page of Cups for in November for Leo, please. Page of Cups. See, all barriers will come down. All barriers will come down. Even though right now you may be feeling there is no way any of my wishes are going to come true. If somebody is being selfish around you, I do feel that your ships are going to come in November. Some decisions are going to be made. If you've been waiting for somebody else to make that decision, and you've been waiting and waiting, you're going to get out of this stuck position. If you've been just hanging in there waiting, when will I get to know, will it ever change, will that offer ever come? I have a feeling this limbo time is over in November. Some choice, some decision will be made which can push you to take action once again. What else can we expect in November for Leo, Spirit? What else can we expect? Again, the choice will be made. Whatever you've been feeling has been unstable in your life, or you are not seeing long term with, maybe there's been a blockage in communication or receiving messages or being able to send a message, all that will be decided upon in November, which is actually going to be good for you. That this choice, this offer is coming, and it's going to push you once again into fast forward momentum. If currently you've been feeling a little stuck or feeling hopeless, Leo, this is just temporary. November, the action begins again. So let's see what Leo should hold on to. Leo, if you've been holding on to that thought that when will I get my just rewards, the amount I put in, I want that much back, whether it's in a job, business, relationship. If you've been hoping and wishing for an equal partnership with others, hold on to this feeling, because it's going to happen. Six of Pentacles. Hold on to this dream that you have. What's the Six of Pentacles, Spirit, for Leo? Yes, look at this happiness. Reconciling with people maybe you've had a rift with, enjoyment, partying, celebration, equal power, give and take. If this has been a dream of yours, Leo, which got kind of stopped, this is all going to come back in November. So Spirit is saying, hold on. This dream is worth holding on to. Don't give up on this just yet. So what should Leo let go of then, Spirit? What should Leo let go of? This heaviness, this feeling of overwhelm. Oh, I'm not too sure things will ever, be the same again. I'm feeling so burdened. Let's see why. Why should Leo let go of this Ten of Wands, Spirit? Why should Leo let go of this Ten of Wands? Why should Leo let go of this Ten of Wands? Because anything that has stopped, the Chariot in reverse, whatever had stopped in your life, Leo, where you found that you were, maybe somebody was being overly emotional or overwhelmed or something, all that can be rectified. All that is coming back into balance, because forward movement is coming back again. Whatever loss of structure or lack of structure there was in your connection or business, or all that is going where it will push you back into the feeling of stability. King of Pentacles is the highest level of stability, feeling that you have everything under control, right? So Spirit is saying, please, please, Leo, just drop this now. Let go of this feeling of you're alone in this, or you are overburdened or overwhelmed with responsibilities, right? So what will become Leo's biggest obstacle in November, Spirit? Nine of Cups. Why is that an obstacle? That feeling of disappointment. Each time you think of maybe your wishes that you really want to come true, somewhere you start doubting yourself, Leo. You feel it's never going to happen for me. It's always backfired on me. It's never going to happen for me. This kind of disappointment, the past disappointment, is what is going to stop your future wishes from coming true. So make sure your words align with your dreams. They say energy flows where intention goes. Okay, write that down. I'll repeat it again. Energy flows where intention goes. So every time you think of making your dreams come true and then cross it by saying, but it always backfires on me, I've tried it so many times, it's never worked for me, that can become a blockage in your life. So be very mindful of what your thoughts are. Okay? So how do people see my Leo gang in November, Spirit? Temperance, beautiful. They see you healing. They see you not being in this two minds anymore, which you've been in the past. That's where the conflict was there, right? I think in November, if all goes well, Leo, and you take this advice of, believing that you can achieve anything, people will be seeing you as finally being balanced, not being in, not having too much to do maybe, or juggling too many responsibilities, or just dropping that feeling of imbalance. So people are going to see you very, very calm, very happy, very balanced, and yes, again, making a conscious choice to get out of confusion. Making a conscious choice. I don't want to be in confusion anymore. So what is Leo's secret message then, Spirit, for November? 10 of Pentacles. See, I told you this is possible for you, Leo, in November. This is generational abundance, wealth, having it all, never having to worry about your stability, and in abundance not just in one thing, but in every aspect of your life. Health, wealth, and happiness. So why is that a secret message? Why is that a secret message to Leo, Spirit? One more. Oh, okay. Spirit saying the problem with Leo is you think you're in control. You've been trying to control the way your life goes, or your thoughts, or your mind, which is has been pushing you back. Because you've been thinking you are in control, that's the reason you've never really had the success that you've been looking for. You've always felt like you've tried and lost. But Spirit is saying, guess what? The day we come into play, we're going to put you straight into the seat of the Empress. Empress is not a masculine, feminine card. The Empress card, Leo, represents fertility, growth, abundance, and sitting in one place and attracting it all through the universe. This is very connected to the spiritual realm. And yes, once you come into that kind of alignment, you just sit here and, attract everything that you want. Beautiful. So don't try and think, Leo, leave that ego aside and think that, you're in control. You're not. Just believe. I would just say, just believe. Heal from whatever you've been through, and yes, get out of all this. Get out of looking at the past, looking with regret, sorrow, tension. You have to just drop all this now. Just drop all this now. You're not in power. You're not in control when you think negative thoughts. Your job right now is to heal yourself, mind, body, and soul, and trust that heaven is watching over you. The minute you start to trust, here you are winning, winning, winning. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.